Have you ever got a text message saying, Amazon refund ready? Just click this link. Sounds great, right? Free money. But wait, it's a trap. Scammers are using fake refund messages to steal your money and your personal information. Today, I'll explain exactly how this scam works, why scammers do it, and how you can protect yourself so you don't get fooled. Here's how it usually starts. You get a text that looks like it's from Amazon. The message says, Amazon did a routine check on something you bought. The product failed the inspection, so you'll get a refund. Oh, look. It also says, you don't need to return the item. Just click the link to get your money back. Sounds like Amazon is being super nice, right? But it's not real. This is a phishing scam. The link doesn't go to Amazon. It goes to a fake website made to trick you. So, what happens if you click that link? The fake website might look just like Amazon, but it's not. It will ask you for your Amazon login, or even your bank or card details. If you type that in, scammers can steal your account, order things in your name, or take money from your bank. Sometimes, these sites also install malware on your phone or computer. That's like a digital virus that spies on you. You might wonder, why do scammers send these texts? Because it works. They send thousands of texts every single day. Even if only a few people click, they can steal a lot of money. Scammers also sell your stolen details to other criminals online. For them, it's a business. For us, it's a trap. Now the most important part. How do you protect yourself from these scammy texts? 1. Don't click links in texts you weren't expecting. 2. Check the link. Real Amazon always starts with Amazon.com. Fake ones look strange, like Amazon-refund.net or Amazon-pay.us. 3. Look for spelling mistakes. Real Amazon messages are professional. Scammers often make silly errors. 4. Amazon never asks for your password or bank details in a text. 5. If you're unsure, open the Amazon app or website directly. Check your account there. 6. Report scam texts. On your phone, use the report spam option, or forward the text to 7726, that spells spam, then delete it. Scammers are clever, but you are smarter. Remember, if a message sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't let scammers trick you with fake Amazon refunds. Stay alert. Share this video with your friends and family, especially those who shop online a lot. The more people know, the fewer scammers win. Thank you for watching, and if you liked the information provided here, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.